Hi everyone, if you are a school head who is not yet a school principal or not yet a NASH passer or an aspiring one, you need to watch this. This is all about the administration of the NASH Batch 2 which is scheduled on March 29, 2026. Right now, we are in the middle of the most critical phase. Registration and online application through the OAS is open until January 5, 2026 at 5 p.m. That's on Monday. That's just a few days away. Following that, from January 6 to 20, your documents will undergo evaluation and validation. If you are tagged as reapply, you only have until January 20 to submit those missing requirements. By February 6, the final list of examinees and the specific examination sites will be released through a regional memorandum. This when you will know exactly where you're headed on that big day on March 29. To make sure everything goes smoothly, there's a mock assessment on March 15, 2026. It is your chance to test your devices and get comfortable with the platform before the actual test on March 29. Remember, this assessment is open to all head teachers, assistant principals, and other qualified personnel who meet the CEC standards or qualification standards. So good luck, future leaders, and don't forget to like and share this with your fellow school heads and co-teachers who want to become principal or full-fledged principal in the future. See you in the next video. Thank you.